Unraveling the meaning of mountain harmony. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, mountain harmony. This phrase is not just about mountains or music, but it carries a deeper, metaphorical meaning. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love delving into idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Let's decode the essence of mountain harmony together. Mountain and harmony are two words with distinct meanings. A mountain is a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface, while harmony refers to the combination of simultaneously sounded musical notes to produce a pleasing effect, or more broadly, a state of peacefulness and agreement. Understanding these definitions is key to grasping the metaphorical sense of the phrase. When combined, mountain harmony transcends its literal meanings. It often symbolizes peace, tranquility, and natural balance. Imagine a mountain landscape, serene and undisturbed, depicting a perfect balance in nature. This phrase can be used to describe situations, feelings, or environments that reflect these qualities of a mountain's peaceful existence. You might hear mountain harmony in various contexts. For instance, it could describe a harmonious relationship between people, akin to the unspoken understanding and balance found in nature. It might also be used to describe a setting or atmosphere, like a peaceful retreat that resembles the tranquility of a mountain. Let's see how mountain harmony can be used in sentences. 1. After years of conflict, the two countries finally found mountain harmony in their relations. 2. Her cottage in the hills was a place of mountain harmony, away from the chaos of the city. 3. The team worked in mountain harmony, each member's strengths complementing the others. And that's a wrap on mountain harmony. We hope this video has illuminated this beautiful phrase for you. It's a reminder of the peace and balance that we often find in nature and strive for in our lives. Thank you for watching, and may you find your own mountain harmony in your language learning journey.